idea what Mumu's doing?
I have no idea, but she looks pretty confident, so she must know what she's doing. I think she wants us to play in the garden today.
You know that Mumu always has some very strange ideas.
Could be that she's painting the classroom a new color and took out all the chairs so that they wouldn't get stained.
I don't think Mumu is planning on painting anything. You know how much she likes to play, so I think she wants us to play something.
But I don't know of any game that's played with chairs.
I know how to play one that's really fun. You put a bunch of chairs in a circle, and everyone keeps going around them while the music plays. The moment the music stops, everyone sits down, and whoever is left without a chair gets eliminated. Then you take away another chair, and you play again until only one chair is left and 2 players remain. The winner is the one who's able to sit down.
Wow, that sounds like fun. We can play the chair game today. Let's go talk to Mumu to see if she lets us play with her.
Hi, Mumu. Why have you brought out all these chairs?
I just felt like sitting in the garden.
Is that it? You didn't bring them out to play with?
Milo, chairs are only used for sitting down. You can't play with them unless you imagine that they're a car or a plane or...
Well, we know of a really fun game to play with chairs.
That's nice. So why are you telling me?
Mumu, you've got 5 chairs in the garden and we want to play the chair game with them.
But I don't want to play anything. I just want to sit and enjoy the scenery.
Whatever you like. You could at least let us sit here with you.
All right, then.
I wonder what Mumu is doing with so many chairs next to each other.
I'm sure she wants to play something.
Well, I want to play with them too. We can bring our own chairs to play with.
Sounds like a good idea to me.
I don't know where the other chairs are. I think Mumu must have taken them all.
I saw one just underneath the slide.
Well, let's get it and go with them. Hello, friends. What are you playing?
We're not playing anything. We're just sitting here catching a bit of sun.
Well, how boring. I thought you'd be playing some game with the chairs.
Rita, you cannot play with chairs. They're only used for sitting. You can't play with them.
That's not exactly true, Mumu. I know a very fun game that you can play using chairs.
Please teach us how the game is played.
There are 6 of us, right? Well, you put 5 chairs in a circle and everyone goes around them while the music plays. The moment the music stops, everyone has to sit down and whoever is left without a chair gets eliminated. Then you take away another chair and you play again until only 1 chair is left and 2 players remain. The winner is the one who's able to sit down.
That sounds like fun. Why don't we play that game?
All right, then. But it seems like a silly game and very boring.
You'll see, Mumu. Once you start playing, you'll want to play again. Are we all in position? All right. Now remember, when the music plays, we all go round and round. But when it stops, we all have to sit down. The one who's left out will get eliminated. Okay, start the music!
Aw, what bad luck. I was left without a chair.
I'm so slow. I kept on dancing with no music.
Who's gonna win?
Aww. Can we play it again?